Hi, I'm Orna. I'm a Senior Project Manager in Lidl Ireland and I work in the Sales Organisation Department. So for me, it really starts at the start of my week. I meet my team members and do a one-on-one, or a Durafix as we call them in Lidl. During this time, we'd look at the progress we've made on our projects, assess any issues that have cropped up, make some key decisions, and then set out our priorities for the rest of the week. After that, I'd spend a lot of my time working with key stakeholders across the business, looking at different projects and how they, I suppose, integrate across all different departments. The one thing about sales organisation is if anything's been rolled out to store, we generally have a role to play in any project. And then as well as that, I try to get out to store our clients really, and making sure any projects we've rolled out in the past, if there's any troubleshooting that needs to take place, we kind of discuss that with the store and see the best course of action, and then go back to head office and make sure we implement it. I'd say definitely get out to our stores, look at the business, don't just go to one store. We have so many different types across Ireland, so just make sure to get out to a few, compare them, assess what you see in the store. We don't have everything perfect. We know there's plenty of things we can change, so bring those into an interview and make sure to be yourself in the interview. We're hiring you, we're not trying to hire somebody else. As well as that, I would say reach out on LinkedIn to someone who's done the graduate programme. There's no point in getting 6 months in and then deciding this isn't for me. The Lidl graduate programme is a really fast-paced, really good graduate programme. It gives you a lot of responsibility from the start and you're never bored. It's a really fast-paced environment. Retail is always changing, so if it sounds like the right role for you, I'd say reach out to people, get to know a bit better and get prepared and go for it. I'd say the one thing I love most about my job is that it's quite different every day. You never work on the same project, so one day I might be working on self-checkouts, the next day I might be working on a digital ticketing project. The projects are really large-scale projects and you take a lot of responsibility in them from the start. The real motto in Lidl is if you're good enough, you're old enough, so there's no restrictions or boundaries on you developing. I'd say as well as that, from the graduate programme, you're not in this huge cohort of people. On the grad programme, we don't hire 250 people, we don't hire 50 people, you're in single-digit numbers. And the benefit of that is that you're not, I suppose, one in a million. We're focused on your development from the start. We put a lot of time and money into the graduate programme, so we'll put a lot of time and money into you. And I think that's the real benefit I saw in the graduate programme, and I think that's how I've developed as a result of it.